Good evening. Welcome to Kitchen Leslie, guys. For this video, guys, busy yung nyo, kitchenera eh. For this video, guys, hindi ko ito makakalimutan, guys. Ito na, guys, ang umpisa ko, guys, dito, guys. I'm cooking all whole guys. Nagluluto ako dito, guys. Maraming bisita, guys. Ito, guys. Maraming bisita, guys. Mas madali prepare, guys, sa paghuhugas, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan, guys. Welcome to the kitchen ni Leslie, guys. Ayan, guys. So, madaling mag-prepare. Mas matagal matapos maghuhugas, guys. Alam nyo, guys, meron pa dito, guys. Oh, ikutin ko yan, guys, ha. Diba? Yun, guys, nakatambak pa, guys. Oh, tiwangwang, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, ito pa, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, yung kasoy. Meron doon, ilalagay ko doon dito. Mga nuts, guys. Ayan, guys. Then, may kamatis pa akong hiniwa-hiwa, guys. Hindi kasi, tapos na kasi ako nagluto, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, nakatiwang pa, guys. Ayan, guys. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan, guys. Turo ko sa inyo, guys. Oh, diba? Ito yung kasoy. At saka yun. Yan ang pinrefer ko. At saka tubig. At saka gatas yun, guys, with chai. Tapos, guys, tamer. Tamer pa more. Ito ay cinnamon. Tapos ito gawa. Ito chai na with sugar, chai na walang sugar, gawa. Tapos ito, guys, ang pinakamahirap, guys. Ito, guys. Ayan, guys. Oh, diba? Yan, guys. Tapos hulaan nyo to. Ano to? Diba? Hulaan nyo. Ano to?